When information comes fast and easy, fake news and deliberate misinformation flourish too. This is another nasty attack of the Prince of Lies to mislead our generation. Truth, in this case, is the first victim. This is all the more reason for us to be careful, responsible, discerning, and critical in dealing with information. Today, we are probably not any better. The enemy of truth may discredit the testimony of the apostles or even kill it altogether, for he is still at it to this day. But the faithful ones must remember this promise of Jesus. He will send the advocate, the Spirit of truth that comes from the Father to testify. This is Easter promise of the coming Pentecost. Acting on the moves of the Spirit means discerning His will and allowing Him to lead us. My dear brothers and sisters, here are Jesus' pointers for us to live by. When in doubt, confused, or just having the gut feeling that the things are not right, pray for the advocate, the helper,